How to deactivate Threads account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How To Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can deactivate Threads account. If you'd like to deactivate your Threads account, you will simply need to first open your Threads application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. By doing so, you will be taken to this page. Here, tap on the two horizontal bars at the top right corner to access the settings. Once you reach to the settings page, here, you will need to look for account option, which is just below the accessibility option. Once you find it, simply tap on it, and from here, now you will need to select deactivate or delete profile option. By simply tapping on it, you will be taken to this page. Here now you will need to select the option deactivate profile. Simply tap on deactivate profile right here, and now a pop-up will appear. Here you will need to tap on deactivate in order to confirm. Also, once you deactivate your account, the profile, content, likes and followers will not be visible to anyone. If you agree with that, simply tap on the deactivate option and then wait for a moment. After that, you will be logged out from your account. Now, your Threads account and all related content will be hidden until you log in back to your account to reactivate it. Also, deactivating your Threads account doesn't affect your Instagram account. They will be managed separately now. Also, you can only deactivate your Threads account once a week. So by following these steps, you should be able to deactivate your Threads account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.